What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to disable edge lightning on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on notifications. Now in notifications, click on notification pop-up style. And from here, if you have set the notification pop-up style to detailed, then tap on brief. Now from here, tap on edge lightning style. Now if you have set the edge lightning style to a different style and now you want to disable it, so to disable, select none, and after selecting none, tap on done. And now the edge lightning is disabled. So that's how you can disable edge lightning to save battery in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.